Marge, magbabayad ba ako on the wedding day itself ba or dapat prior? So it's not only for the coordinators yung question na yan. All suppliers yan. So depende yan sa supplier niya, tsaka depende kung ano yung nakastipulate sa contract. For example, ang caterer will require a full payment a week before. Siyempre kasi bibili nila yung mga ingredients na lulutuin nila on the event day itself. So kailangan nilang mabayaran in full. Another example is the stylist. So ganun din, nagre-require sila ng advance, full payment na para mabibili nila yung mga fresh flowers or whatever na mga gagamitin nila for decoration. But for the other suppliers like mga coordinators or mga musicians, hair and makeup artists or photographers sometimes, pwede rin naman na on the wedding day itself na magbabayad. Diyan papasok yung task namin mga coordinators na bago bayaran ang isang supplier, we have to check kung lahat ng mga laman ng kontrata ay na-delivered. If ito ay delivered and nag-comply based dun sa nakasulat at napag-agrihan with the client, that's the time that we will be paying the suppliers on the day itself. Okay? So, if you like what you're hearing and what you're seeing, don't forget to like, share, and comment on my channel. Be notified with our tips and hacks for future videos.